We're Immobiliser Fit, and today we're down at Kia Enfield securing this Kia EV6 that was actually stolen and recovered. It's been in for repairs and the customer wants to secure before they take it home again. So this has the Starline Connect, which means if a thief copied this key, done a relay attack, got in the vehicle and went to steal it, when they put it into gear, the vehicle's going to cut out. As you see, it's gone off. We get these tyre pressure faults, but also if the customer's not around, their phone's going to ring, so they're going to know someone's in their vehicle trying to steal it. They're messing around with it and trying to take it. Obviously, if it's the customer, they don't want that phone call, so they can choose from either having their phone paired, so they start the car up, their phone can be in their pocket and they can drive off, or they choose a unique code. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3. We hear a disarm tone, we can select our gear, vehicle remains running, doesn't cut out, and we don't get a phone call. To use the phone, what we can do, just turn the Bluetooth on the customer's connected phone. When it's in range, just get in the car and start it. You'll hear it disarm straight away. Means we don't need to do the code. We can put it in gear, drive off. As you see, staying in gear, remaining ready, and we're not getting any phone calls. So this is Starline Connect. Once again, if we turn the Bluetooth off on this phone, we pretend we're a thief, we get in the car, try and steal it. We've got the key. We don't know there's an immobiliser on there because we're a thief. We select a gear, go to drive away, vehicle cuts out, and the phone's going to ring. So once again, this is the Starline on a 2020 EV6. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to get your vehicle secured.